Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining us today. So I've been making pizza for a while now. It's a family tradition every Sunday. So yeah, today is Sunday and I'm making pizza. So I decided let me just do a video to, just show you how I go about it. It's very simple. With everything homemade, you don't need to, go out there and buy pizza. It's extremely easy. So we have the pizza dough, then you have the toppings, and you have, pizza sauce. So we'll do all that. So right now I want to make the pizza dough. Ideally, you need to make your pizza dough slightly before the time you need to start assembling your pizza. So about, give it an hour and a half at most. So I want to just prepare that, and then next I will do my sauce and then prepare the toppings. So by the time I'm done with the sauce and the toppings, the dough will be ready, and then we can assemble the pizza. So I am using for the pizza dough, it's very simple. You only need flour, you need a bit of salt, you need sugar, yeast, and water. So what I've done, just like the way we make bread, if you haven't watched my bread tutorial, please scroll down, you're going to see it. I've done a bread tutorial. So it's pretty much the same way. So over here in my jug I have put warm water, some sugar, and yeast. I'm going to leave the measurements on the description box. So yeah, so I have done sugar, and you see it's already bubbly. So I've done sugar, water, and yeast. I've left that for about 10 minutes. And then in my bowl here I have flour. You can use all-purpose flour, but to keep things a little bit healthy, this is our cheat day, but I still need to make it a bit healthy. So I've mixed all-purpose flour with brown bread flour. Feel free to use whatever kind of flour you want. This is just my way, so I'm just mixing it up together. And then to this I'm going to add a half teaspoon of salt. There you go. And just mix it all together. And then I have some extra flour over here just for dusting my surface when I'm kneading. And then I'll create a well in the middle. And then in this I'm going to pour my yeast, water, sugar mixture all into here. Get everything out, right? And then with clean hands, knead your dough. This process is extremely easy. I'm just going to combine everything together. And then, as I like doing, I'm going to pour this on my work surface so that I have enough space for kneading. Get everything out. So I'm just going to set this aside. I will use it to place my dough when I'm done. So just kneading. And what you want to end up with is a soft, pliable dough. Kind of like just how you make chapos. Only that this mixture has yeast. I think that's the only difference. I don't know how you make your chapos, but when I make my chapatis, I mix, it's usually flour, sugar, salt, water, a bit of cooking oil. So almost the same way, but then this one has yeast because we want our dough to rise. We don't want it to be just flat like a chapati. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. As you can see, we have lots of interesting, very simple tutorials for you. Something that you can do at home with, you know, just basic ingredients, basic equipment, nothing intimidating. So hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell so that you get notified every time I do a video. So my dough is ready now. It's quite soft, not sticky, even when I dip my finger inside. Not sticky. That's one of the ways I, used to test whether the dough is ready. I'm just forming it into a nice, round ball. And then my bowl, I'm going to grease my bowl. As usual, I use my non-stick spray. You could use vegetable oil, you could use butter, whatever you have. I'm just greasing so that the dough doesn't stick to the bowl as it rises. Okay. So I'm just going to put my dough in here nicely. And then cover this with cling film. Let me get cling film. You can use a towel as well. So we let this rest for 1 hour at a warm surface. So after this, I'm just going to do the sauce. I'm going to be cooking the sauce. I like making my sauce from scratch. You could use barbecue sauce, you could use tomato sauce, or whatever other sauce you like, but I prefer making mine because, I want to know what is going into my pizza. So I'm going to make the sauce, and I'm going to probably, I don't know if I will do a video about this, but I'm going to leave the description, the recipe and the procedure. But basically I use tomatoes, I use carrot, onion, garlic, and a few spices. So the veggies, I just blend them together, then fry them in hot oil, and then put salt and spices of my choice. Allow it to cool, and then use it on the pizza. So I'll be back to continue the process. For now, we let this rest for 1 hour. So welcome back. So it's been after I think about an hour or so, and see, my dough is well risen, very well risen. See, it's doubled in volume. So now we are ready to do our pizza. So I'm just going to do keep it very simple, very basic. People are hungry and they've been waiting on me. So I'm just going to use sausage. I've already just fried some sausage and cut it up into rings, and then my sauce over here. So yummy. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And then the next thing I'm going to be using is cheese. I'm using a block of mozzarella cheese. I don't know which other cheese people use, but this is what I use. So I'm just going to grate it. You can even tear it up with your hands. And then I prefer grating it. And for the toppings, really, you can use any toppings of your choice. I'm just using what I had in the house right now. You could use any kind of meat if you're a meaty person. For a non-vegetarian pizza, you can use any kind of topping, any kind of meat. Usually, most of the times I prefer using minced meat. So I'll just fry it up nicely, make sure it's not soupy. Dry fry. You call it dry fry, yeah? So yeah, that spice it nicely. Put some kidogo pepper in there. And then at times I'll also use capsicums, red, yellow. Just slice them up into either rings or strips. If sometimes I have leftover chicken, that's what I'll do. Just cut it up into cubes or into slices. Yeah, so for the cheese, you can use as much cheese or as little as you want. Feel free to be generous. Okay. And then I'm going to put some sausage. Just making sure that they're well distributed. Distribute them nicely. This is going to be so yummy. And then I've already preheated my oven. So you need to preheat your oven before you start doing this. I've set the temperature at 200 degrees. So I'm going to bake this for 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes until it browns nicely. Okay, so that's it. Some more. Okay. And then more cheese. It's going to be a very cheesy pizza. There you go. So yeah, so this is ready for the oven. Okay, let me set this aside. And then we do the other one, the other half. I see some the pros, I don't know how they turn it like this. I don't know how they turn it like that. I can't, but I will try until I get it. So this works. Just rolling it out, and then again, let me sprinkle this with some bit of flour, lightly. So this I'm just going to stretch with my hands. Hold it down and stretch. Stretch it nicely. But who said pizza should be round? It can be any shape. There you go, then poke, poke, poke. Poke holes. Again, repeat. Sauce. Just dump it all in here. Okay. Spread evenly. This shape looks like a love heart. No, it's fine. The cheese. Some bit of cheese. Even the rest of my sausage. Yum, yum, yum. You could also use ham. You could use brown, maybe whatever it is that you fancy. For a veggie one, use all sorts of veggies. Actually, the next I want to try one is broccoli, because I just love broccoli, and especially I love baked broccoli. So the next time I think I'm just going to go veggie. Use broccoli, use cauliflower, and those are the nice veggies. So more cheese. I think the secret to good pizza is just cheese. It helps to bind everything together. There you go. Awesome. So pizza number 2, ready for the oven. See what I was saying? It looks like I made a little love heart. Anyway, lunch with love for my family. So this is going to the oven for 15 minutes or so, until I'll check at around 13 minutes to see if my crust is well nice and crispy. But yeah, 15 minutes should do at 200 degrees, and then we'll be ready to eat. And here we go. See, awesome, awesome, yummy. Let me get the other one. See, amazing. They look so yummy. So I'm just going to cut it up with my pizza cutter. I'm just going to slice it up nicely. Okay. How many slices should a pizza have? I don't know. There you go. And this thing is really hot, so there you go. I'm just going to cut this other one up later. But see, there goes our pizza. So I hope you really do get to make your own pizza at home. If you do, please tag me on your post. I'd like to see your creations. So thank you very much. That's how you make your pizza. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Look out for more videos of such amazing and fun, simple, nice tutorials that I'll be doing. Thank you very much. Hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a video. Thank you very much. Bye.